Welcome to our channel. We mention new coming cars and current new models, review features, price, power, etc. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL defines the future of open-top ultra-luxury performance with elegance and exclusivity. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL represents the pinnacle of handcrafted luxury and performance under the open sky. Limited to an extremely small number of units worldwide, this roadster is a symbol of exclusivity. Built on the SL platform, it takes design, comfort, and performance to the highest level Maybach has ever achieved. The exterior of the Mythos SL showcases a perfect blend of timeless beauty and modern sophistication. It features a long hood, muscular fenders, and a low-slung body that expresses pure power. The iconic Maybach grille, finished in deep chrome, dominates the front fascia. The Maybach emblem sits proudly on the hood, while ultra-thin LED headlights and polished alloy accents give it a commanding presence. The rear is sculpted with elegance, featuring sleek LED taillights, a subtle diffuser, and a dual exhaust system integrated into the bumper. The Mythos SL's convertible design is a celebration of freedom and craftsmanship. The retractable soft top operates silently and swiftly, allowing drivers to enjoy open-air luxury in seconds. Every detail, from the polished door handles to the handcrafted badging, reflects meticulous precision and Maybach artistry. Inside, the 2026 Mythos SL offers an atmosphere of ultimate refinement. The cabin is hand-finished with the finest materials available, including natural wood, polished aluminum, and the highest-grade Nappa leather. Every surface is soft to the touch, and the craftsmanship is second to none. The seats are individually sculpted, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions. Each Maybach logo is embroidered with precision, while ambient lighting provides a serene and customizable mood for every journey. The infotainment system uses the latest MBUX interface with a high-resolution OLED display. The digital instrument cluster and central screen are seamlessly integrated for a futuristic look. Voice control, augmented reality navigation, and wireless connectivity make the system both luxurious and functional. The premium Burmester 4D surround sound system creates an immersive concert-like experience with precise acoustic tuning for every seat. Performance-wise, the 2026 Mythos SL combines power with grace. It is expected to feature a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing around 600 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The powertrain delivers instant acceleration and smooth performance across all driving modes. An advanced all-wheel drive system ensures stability and control, whether cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads. The air suspension adapts in real time to road conditions, offering an unmatched combination of comfort and agility. The steering and braking systems are fine-tuned for precision and confidence. The driver can switch between comfort and sports settings, adjusting throttle response and suspension firmness instantly. The Mythos SL is not just fast, it is refined and intelligent, delivering a driving experience tailored to the mood of its owner. Safety and assistance technologies are integrated seamlessly. The car includes advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and 360-degree parking cameras. The intelligent systems work quietly in the background, ensuring maximum safety without compromising the luxury experience. Every Mythos SL is built to order, allowing owners to customize nearly every aspect of their vehicle. From unique exterior finishes to bespoke interior patterns, each car is a reflection of its owner's individuality. The Maybach Design Studio offers exclusive paint options, handcrafted trim inlays, and personalized engravings. The wheels are specially designed 22-inch forged alloys, offering a balance of performance and elegance. Each wheel carries the Maybach insignia and is engineered to provide a smooth, vibration-free ride even at high speeds. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL also incorporates sustainable luxury. Many materials inside are responsibly sourced, and the powertrain features mild hybrid technology to enhance efficiency and reduce emissions without compromising power. This vehicle is not merely transportation, it is an experience crafted for those who demand perfection. From the scent of the interior leather to the silence of the cabin, every moment in the Mythos SL reflects Maybach's century-old heritage of excellence. Mercedes-Maybach continues to redefine what luxury means in the modern era, and the Mythos SL stands as a testament to that vision. It connects the legacy of classic open-top touring with the innovation of the future, creating a car that is as exclusive as it is inspiring. The 2026 Mythos SL will be produced in extremely limited numbers, available only to a select group of collectors and long-time Maybach clients. Each unit will carry a numbered plaque, symbolizing its rarity and prestige. The price has not been officially announced, but expectations suggest it will exceed several $1 million, positioning it among the most exclusive roadsters in the world. The Mythos SL is more than a car, it is a statement of power, art, and craftsmanship. It defines the next era of luxury motoring, combining performance, beauty, and exclusivity in one breathtaking package. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.